There are two other ways of understanding it, that is perturbational or perturbation molecular orbital theory, or it is also called as Huckel-Möbius or Möbius-Huckel theory, or it is also called as Huckel-Möbius aromatic transition state theory, or sometimes just to be referred as aromatic transition state theory. Ultimately, given question in any way of this will stand same, that you are supposed to explain perturbation molecular orbital theory in examination. So what does perturbation molecular orbital theory vary from FMO? FMO is just a case we are going to consider the HOMO and LUMO levels. But in the PMO approach, according to the Huckel theory, we are going to consider the electron system based upon aromaticity. And as we know, in pericyclic reactions, there is significant important understanding for transition state. Yes, it is aromatic transition state that we are going to consider. So in that case, what we are going to do is we are going to consider the p orbitals. Only here we are going to consider significantly or importantly the p orbitals. In this case, based upon the understanding with p orbitals, we are going to divide into allowed and disallowed or forbidden transitions. There are two cases, that is Huckel, which is based upon 4n plus 2 pi, because standard theory for aromaticity is known from Huckel or referred to as Enrich-Huckel aromatic theory, that is nothing but aromatic rule. It is 4n plus 2 pi system. So what is mandatory in that? What are the criteria for that? It is the system should be 4n plus 2 pi, it should be cyclic, it should be planar, and it should be a conjugated system, electron system. So above that, when I relate with pericyclic reactions, there is something that we are going to consider as electrons. There are consideration for electrons. How many electrons are involved in inversion? If it is an even number, then it will follow the Huckel theory. If it is for an odd number, it will follow an Möbius theory. So considering this and the p orbitals, this was clearly devised by Dewar and Zimmermann. They were the scientists behind the understanding for perturbational molecular orbital theory.